Welcome to this video on unlocking the power of informal mindfulness. In our fast-paced lives, it's easy to get caught up in the hustle and bustle and lose touch with the present moment. But with mindfulness, we can learn to be more aware, focused, and engaged in our daily lives. So, what is mindfulness? Mindfulness is the act of being present in the moment, paying attention to your thoughts, feelings, and surroundings without judgment. It's about being aware of what's happening around you and within you. Meditation is one way to cultivate mindfulness. It's a practice of focusing your attention on your breath or a particular object, and when your mind wanders, gently bringing it back to the present moment. Over time, meditation can increase your awareness and help you become more mindful in your everyday life. But mindfulness is not just about formal meditation. It's also about practicing how to be present in the moment, no matter what you're doing. It's about being engaged in life, paying attention to what's happening around you, and practicing active listening. When we practice active listening, we give the person we're talking to our full attention. We listen without judgment, and we're fully present in the moment. This can make us a good listener and improve our relationships with others. Mindfulness can also help with focusing. When we're mindful, we're fully engaged in the task at hand, and we're not distracted by thoughts or feelings that pull us away from the present moment. So, let's take a moment and practice being mindful. Take a deep breath, and as you exhale, let go of any thoughts or distractions. Bring your attention to the present moment, and notice what's happening around you. You might be surprised at what you discover. Thanks for watching. Remember, practicing mindfulness can help you be more aware, focused, and engaged in your daily life. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more great content. Until next time, we remain Business Brain USA.